One Nigerian celebrity don't come outside say, make we know they criticize people work. Oh. Say people where they even open legs, say all that one self now work. Hey, this one surprised me. Person where talk this one an actress Nkechi Blessing na she talk am. Say anybody, say any business where person they do na business. Say person where they sleep with person self. This one, I can't be surprised. Since when this lady turned to motivational speaker? Because if like say now this lady, she just want to talk. Anything wey relate to sex, relationship, na there she dey always carry first. Now she don dey carry the matter like for head. Like say now anything sex, na she know and pass. Anything relation, na she know and pass. I can't surprise say she come as I can't give this kind motivation. Say any work, say anybody wey fit open leg, anybody wey fit sleep around, make we no criticize them. Say na work then they do. My people beg, make na follow me watch where she for talk this one.
Even those people they open leg say for bed, they collect the money. Now still hard work. Easy to open leg. If easy, go open.
But auntie, I confused. I want to ask, she na based on out of experience. Now you they talk this one, you just they talk on a normal level. But I beg, this one just be like when Ron's girl they give out codes to him fellow member. Because this thing no makes I think say you be adult people they look you as motivational person. Person go reason you say you be their model for you to come as I can't they talk this one. So I can't surprise say you they talk say for person to they sleep around a good thing. For person to they sleep around, if na reason and what now the person decision. The person decide say I want the sleep around because people dey. Some people no even get leg, they sell pure water inside traffic. Some people no even get, in fact they no even get hope, but they still find one kind work they do. How much more you will be say you can't dey okay? Leg no they pay you, hand no they pay you can't decide say you no one can do anything. Even if na sales girl work, you feel even go do it. But some people they no go reason now. But make we no lie, 80% of women or girls, they go rather prefer to go the open leg than to the hawk for streets. Because they go the reason say all this one are shame to them, so they no go want one. But auntie Nkechi, I don't know, be this one way talk now to motivate the youth. Because this one is just they mislead them. Some people in the way they understand something now in a different way. As you talk this one now, maybe you don't even ginger one person go reason and say, okay now, the person our model don't talk and say, okay, yes, maybe they do this one. So she will even get all reasons and right to do them. But maybe the way you talk, maybe I refuse say you want to talk, say okay, maybe they don't criticize person work, any work where person do, but not be to a shower level, not be to a low show level. We know say this thing is no good. At least go find another something do. And I know some people say now just willing, they just like that thing. Now what make them they do that one? Not be say anything they force them. So for you to come they encourage them, and this one it really pain ladies. People where they your partner there they vex. How you as an adult go come as I come they talk this kind? You will be married woman. Until I beg if you don't get anything talk, just sit down for your house. Face your relationship and your marriage because now it just be like you want to come as I come they blab. And the way they talk, people don't even date. In fact, the people they over disappointed about you. Make we call a spade a spade. This one where you talk, you no good at all. I mean my people where they watch, what didn't I feel about this thing where this lady talk? Anything I feel, make now write them inside the comment section. Make now don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video. Wahala be like bicycle. One unknown video vixen don't come as I go cause wahala for herself. It be like say this lady go pick boat ride until now pay she no get money. Hey, and I see all these slay queens and their way of acting. But it be like say now person order this ride for this lady. As she can't reach her destination now, the rider so cute. I beg bring the money to pay as we don't reach where she dey go. Now there this lady begin call this boyfriend we won't pay. They call brother no give pick. I don't know where this brother go style. I been just want to show this girl a lesson, but before we see, until no get the money to pay. And what to surprise myself now the amount. Ordinary 2,100 naira. Now be this ride money. This lady talk say she no get. My people beg, make now follow me watch this disgrace.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Please don't make a video of me. Because if you make a video, you're just people knows me beside I'm a video vixen.
And no, it's just better for everybody to know what's happening. It's better for everybody to know what's happening because when they say both drivers are rude, right? So I want the whole world to know what's going on. Madam, let me have my money. That is what I'm saying. I'm not dragging anything with you. Let me have my money.
You know something is on his duty and
he's on his duty. I only told him to calm down. My boyfriend is going to make it.
You can get that statement. Calm down till when? How is it my business that your boyfriend is not picking call?
I'm not here to hard to what's going on. Can you listen? I'm not here to hard to what's going on. But this work is per hours.
Yes.
If we delay him here now, he's supposed to have been making some, now. So and he has not settled with you. How you want to?
I'm here to pick a rider now. My rider is coming out.
Sorry?
Are you listening to my conversation?
Yes, I listen to you. How you want
Did I
to
give you
sort?
my boyfriend's number?
You can imagine that. Why is it my business that I should be calling your boyfriend? What are you saying now? Wait, let me analyze this our business for you. Let me analyze our business for you. This is how our business works. When I pick a rider pays me and comes down from my car. I'm never bothered if a boyfriend is not picking call, if someone is wrong. If you like, pay 15,000. It's never none of my business.
That's what I'm saying.
So how you want to sort him now?
Now, I ended your trip 10 o'clock. This is to 11. Yes, now. I waited for 30 minutes, good 30 minutes. I waited for 30 minutes before I took any action. I said, madam, when it's 10:20, I will end your trip. I ended the trip at 10:20, and I told her, madam, this is what your fare is. Okay, we keep on calling the boyfriend. He's not picking. Okay, now, I ended our trip and got another request. Madam, if your boyfriend is not picking, let me have something you can drop. When your boyfriend sends my money, you come and collect it. If you can't do that, then you pay me my money. That one you're saying that 2001.
What can you do to save this?
It's better you just save yourself off this mess. Because I will get your phone before you are going to leave my car. I will get your phone. I will take your.
And what is slay queens on a see on a life? You know say you no get money. You no even enter Danfo. You no enter Sole. You no even enter Molue. You get time go carry boat. Boat where you know say the money go cost. Motor will be say if you enter 15, you no think. Now the one be say you know say it cost. Now you can't. And what they even surprise? Now the English where this guy they even speak. Say I'm calling my boyfriend. Maybe I should give you his number. Now the driver vex. What's it concern me? Make I call your number. Take do it. Make I call your boyfriend number. Take do it. What's I won't call him for? Now you enter inside, and a normal day, if person enter all this kind of car, you know say normal, you don't get the money for down. You pay for this kind of thing. But you as you know say you dey in Brooklyn, you will not even enter in the first place. You don't judge if now Okada, you enter them. Go meet this person as you reach your destination, you go collect the money from the person. This one now where you consider saying you be celebrity, you be video victim. In fact, me I never see you rich. I don't even know you rich, I don't even know where you from celeb. So you can't turn to vixen. But I go auntie all this one now one of the disgraced ladies. Because this one way you do now shame. And people say they react saying what make the driver go they do video. I beg me some reason and say okay, it no to make sense. Now because the guy don't wait. The guy talk say he don't drop this lady since 10 o'clock. 11 don't they go knock. Still this boy no grip pick phone. And I no go surprise, okay, maybe fine. The guy phone don't lower, but something don't happen. Now all this kind of time, and I suppose you as a woman, you suppose hold money they call vex money. In case something go happen, you hold this money for her and say, okay, I go fit pay this person. So I can't surprise say this girl, she don't even get anybody to call. Say, okay, I beg, are they in there? I need help. I need person to pay. She don't even reason all those kind of things. She can't sit down. In fact, they charge her phone inside the motor. In fact, this boat driver, they very nice. Because if now some people, they would even bundle her, come outside from the car. She even still get time, they charge phone. Say they call boyfriend. But you know, say boyfriend, oh no, at least call another person. Now all these kind of things when they do, they wrong. And I'm going to claim right on top of mistake we be saying I don't do. You did there now sit down and no be an fashion wear, but wait even wear. All your this thing they show. You can't do still they claim right, they form on top of something we be say it no even make sense. But I beg next time, do the need for people we be saying that they come out. Or at least small change put for hand. You know, hear all these kind of stories again. Just hold something small, even if you no get. And if you know say no get at all, na ain't bad pass. Sit down inside your house, they no force you. Outside now to the wakana, it is very expensive. So the best thing now, sit down inside your house. If na gari you want drink am. No be say you go there say you want go pay somebody in kind. If you can't read there now, person no get money to give you. You go come turn to wahala. My people, I beg, I hear this story. I say make I bring and come. Make na service na here. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make na don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.